Bitcoin price prediction. Robert Kennedy Jr. advocates for us to hold as much BTC as gold. Arslan Butt last updated. July 27, 2024, 2:26 GMT 3-4 minutes read. Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin, BTC, the world's oldest and most valued cryptocurrency, has managed to recover and gain bullish traction above the $67,920 million mark. The global crypto market cap stands at $2.39 trillion with a 24-hour jump of 3.39%. This rally can be attributed to several factors, including Robert Kennedy Jr.'s advocacy for the U.S. to hold Bitcoin like gold, spurring investor optimism and increased demand for the asset. Kennedy's Bitcoin vision and VanEck's $325,000 prediction boost BTC's future outlook. Robert Kennedy Jr. has expressed stronger support for Bitcoin than Donald Trump, envisioning the U.S. government holding as much Bitcoin as gold by the end of his term. Currently, the government holds 210,000 Bitcoins compared to $640 billion in gold. Reserves. Kennedy sees Bitcoin as a tool to restore individual freedom and combat inflation. Meanwhile, VanEck's Matthew Siegel predicts Bitcoin could reach $325,000 in 5 years. This forecast is driven by growing distrust in traditional institutions and fiscal irresponsibility, suggesting Bitcoin could become a significant part of international trade and central bank reserves. Kennedy's strong Bitcoin stance and his promise to match gold reserves could boost BTC's price by increasing demand and confidence. VanEck's prediction of Bitcoin reaching $325,000 in 5 years, fueled by institutional distrust and fiscal issues, further supports potential price gains. Kennedy's vision, U.S. government to hold Bitcoin equal to gold reserves. VanEck's prediction. Bitcoin could reach $325,000 in 5 years. Factors: institutional distrust, fiscal irresponsibility, and growing demand. Bitcoin and us. Equities surge following cooler PCE inflation reading. Bitcoin and U.S. equities surged following a cooler personal consumption expenditures (PCE) inflation reading, which brought inflation closer to the Federal Reserve's 2% target. The PCE price index rose by 0.1% in June and was up 2.5% from a year ago, down slightly from May's. Bitcoin's price increased by 2% in response to this positive news. U.S. stock markets also performed well. The Dow Jones gained 610 points, driven by a significant 16% rise in 3 million's stock, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq rose by 0.8% and 0.5% respectively. The cooler PCE inflation reading and positive performance in U.S. equities boosted Bitcoin's price by 4.7% to $67,689 as lower inflation and strong market conditions increased investor confidence. Kamala Harris's Bitcoin stance. Potential impact on market sentiment and price. Kamala Harris, the Democratic presidential candidate, faces pressure due to her past comment calling Bitcoin the money of criminals. With a major Bitcoin event drawing 30,000 voters and former President Trump scheduled to speak, Harris needs to clarify her views on Bitcoin. She may address this issue at an upcoming conference to show she's open to innovation and differentiate herself from the current administration. Harris's stance on cryptocurrencies could significantly impact regulatory policies and market conditions. It is crucial for voters and investors to pay close attention to her comments and any new policies she might propose regarding Bitcoin. Major Bitcoin event, 30,000 attendees. Potential policy impact. Harris's views could shape future regulations, voter and investor interest. High due to the significance of her stance. Bitcoin price prediction. The Bitcoin price today is $67,920, with a 24-hour trading volume of $30.56 billion. Bitcoin has experienced a 3.30% increase in the last 24 hours. It maintains its 1% ranking with a live market cap of $1.34 trillion. The circulating supply is 19.73 million BTC coins, with a maximum supply of 21 million BTC coins. On the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin has formed a 3 white soldiers pattern, signaling a potential continuation of the bullish trend, particularly above the $67,450 level. The current key price levels include a pivot point at $67,450, with immediate resistance observed at $68,480, immediate resistance $69,830. On the downside, immediate support is noted at $66,550, with further support levels at $65,780 and $64,480. Bitcoin price prediction technical indicators reinforce the bullish sentiment, with the relative strength index RSI in the buying zone and the 50-day exponential moving average EMA positioned favorably. These indicators suggest strong upward momentum. In conclusion, the technical outlook for Bitcoin remains bullish above the $67,450 level. Traders are advised to consider buying above $67,500, as maintaining this level could lead to further upward movement toward the resistance levels of $68,480 and $69,150. Conversely, a drop below the pivot point may indicate potential downward pressure. Why Pepe Unchained, Pepu, deserves a spot in your crypto portfolio. Meme coins are poised for growth, and Pepu, as a promising newcomer, could offer substantial gains. Presale advantage. Investing in Pepu now, during the presale, could lead to significant returns later, as highlighted by crypto experts like Jacob CryptoBerry. Passive income. The 499% APY staking feature provides an attractive opportunity for passive income. Investor confidence. With 321 million Pepu tokens already staked, investors are demonstrating strong belief in the project's long-term potential. Don't miss out on the Pepe Unchained presale. Secure investment. Pepe Unchained smart contract has been thoroughly audited by Coinsult and Solid Proof. Easy purchase. You can buy Pepu with E8, USDT, BNB, or a credit card. Take action. Don't miss this chance to potentially become a millionaire or even a billionaire. This sentiment is echoed by popular crypto YouTuber Jacob CryptoBerry, who sees significant growth ahead for meme coins this year and emphasizes the advantages of investing in presales such as Pepe Unchained. Buy Pepu here. Follow us on Google News.